What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm starting off with a bare face. Only my eyebrows are done right now. And I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty concealer to just prime my eyelids. I love using this concealer because it's really thick. It's super thick and it just holds the eyeshadow pigments really well. So I really love priming with this concealer. And yeah, I'm just priming my eyes with that. Today I'm going to be using products from Juvia's Place. I'm really excited about it. So this is the palette right here. It has some really pretty colors. I'm going to take this brown and I'm just going to apply that on the outer crease of my eye just to deepen it up and start off with a nice little dark base to work with. And next I'm taking this yellow color and I'm just going to put that right above the brown. I'm kind of blending it into the brown a little bit just to create a little bit of color, you know? So I decided to go with the blue for my main color and I'm just packing that onto my lid. Packing that on really nicely. Make sure it's nice. I see the nice deep blue color. And then I'm going to take this green from my NYX palette and I'm just going to blend that out with the blue, like in between the blue and the brown color, just to make a more seamless look. So the green kind of complements the blue a little bit. Next I'm going to take this sparkly blue color and I'm just going to pack that on top of the blue that I already put there. I just thought it needed like a little bit of more definition, so I chose to put this sparkly blue right on top. Now I'm going in with my NYX matte eyeliner and I'm just gonna make a cute little, you know, my regular cat eye. Nothing too dramatic this time. And then you're just going to want to prime your face with any primer that you have. I can't really pronounce the name of this one, so I'm not even going to try to. But just make sure you use a primer that fits your skin type. Now, the moment that you guys have all been waiting for, I'm going to apply my Juvia's Place foundation. This is the I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation and it's in the color 230 Malawi. And guess what, guys? I ordered this online and I literally chose my perfect shade, and this isn't usually like, you know, the case. Like, I was so nervous if the shade was gonna fit me and it turned out to be my absolute perfect shade, so I'm so happy about that. So I'm just blending everything out. I decided to use a damp beauty blender just to make sure it's really seamless on my face. And I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer, I Am Magic concealer, and it's in the color, well, it's in the shade number 10. And I'm just going to apply that under those dark circles, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, my chin area, you know, the regular areas that I usually conceal. And if you guys can't already tell, it's blending out flawlessly. Like, look at my face. I'm in love with this foundation and concealer combo because it's giving me life. Like, just look at my face. It's flawless. It's perfect already, and I'm not even done yet. Next, I'm taking the I Am Magic setting powder, and this is in the shade Gobi. And yeah, this is like the second to last darkest shade, and I'm just going to set my under eyes, all the places that I concealed, with this powder. And this was actually the perfect powder to like set everything. Like, it was like the perfect color. It's kind of similar to the Sasha Buttercup, so if you guys use that, then I would really recommend this shade for your skin tone. Next, I'm going to take my California Beamin bronzer by NYX, and I'm just going to bronze my face out, make it look more lively, you know? And I'm also going to use this on my nose just to carve it out and make it look, you know, slimmer. Make it look nice and slim, give an illusion. And then you're just going to want to get a big fluffy brush and blend everything out. Blend out all that setting powder and make it look nice and seamless. I am loving the way this powder is blending out, guys. I hope you guys see this. Like, my face has never looked so amazing. Like, I'm in love. And next, I'm just going to apply some blush from Alamar Cosmetics. And I usually just use all the colors, you know, and just apply it on my face. And I'm just going to take the same blue that I used earlier and just apply that on my waterline just to give it like a little color at the bottom there, because, you know, it looks kind of dry down there. We got to give it a little color. And then you just apply mascara as usual. Next, I'm taking this highlighter by Glow Up Academy, you know, by my girl Kiki Adams. And I'm just going to apply that on the places that I normally highlight. This is like a nice light green highlight. It's very subtle, but it's still like very like pow. And I'm going to apply it in my inner tear duct as well, because why not? It's cute. Next, I'm going to take this metallic lip gloss and I'm just going to apply that on my lips. I was going to wear this alone, but it just looked too bright to me. Like, I don't know. So I got this matte lipstick. It's like a brown matte lipstick. And I put that directly on top of it. And it gave me like a cute little it gave me a nice color. I liked it. And then I'm just going to set my face with the Maybelline Master Fix Spray. And this is the final look, you guys. I really enjoyed the products from Juvia's Place. I would highly recommend it. It's just great for chocolate skin. Like, look at my skin. It's like glowing. But yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.